can't figure out how to beep it either.
That's the wrong side. It's rolling. It's rolling, y'all.
Rolling.
Damn it. Okay. Something very, very special. What's going on, Octane fans? We've got something super special to show y'all today. Over the past several months, we've created a very exciting relationship with the guys over at Ultimate Headers. We talk to Corey a couple times a week, and he has made us our very own set of custom OBS LS swap headers. We had some Schoenfelds in there before, but as you can see, they're quite ugly and the fitment was horrible. So Corey got us hooked up with some brand new mid-length LS swap headers. These things are going to be amazing. Come take a look at these things and see the differences. So if you notice, the flange design on both headers are completely different. The style welds from flange to tube on one, flange to tube on the other, completely different. These flanges on the Ultimate headers are their proprietary design. They're amazing, they're awesome, they fit great, they don't warp, they don't flex, and they have no issues. So not only did these guys send us these headers, they also had them custom Cerakoted, polished the flanges, as well as sending us our own set of Comatech gaskets that are individual, 2 cylinders at a time. ARP bolts that are polished to match our flanges. Collectors with bungs already welded for O2 sensors, and these awesome V-band style clamps to hold the collectors in place, so that way we can adjust angles slightly if we need to get the exhaust lined up. I think we're ready to put them on. Hey Jim!
What up?
You want to put them on?
Man, I'm already on it.
It's the wrong side! This header went in like a breeze. Normally there's a bunch of fitment issues and you got to come in from the bottom, pull the spark plugs out of the way and jiggle it around. These just slid right into place. And that's why we went with Ultimate Headers, because we knew the fitment was going to be great and the look was going to be just as good too. You got a whole lot more room to do it too.
Yeah, this side has more room.
They fit the block much tighter. They hug it. They fit the frame rails way better. Building a hot rod or a show truck, I wouldn't question what exhaust to go with on a future build. Ultimate header's going to be the only ones.
Those flanges, though, are just beautiful.